Mum's the word. Meaning, keep quiet and say nothing. Do not say anything or give away a secret. Keep silent and not reveal something. Example sentences. We are throwing a party for our friend Jeremy, but it's a surprise, so don't tell him anything about it. Mum's the word. I'll tell you about our secret hiding place, but mum's the word, don't tell anyone about it. Mum's the word about tonight's plan. We don't want all and sundry to gate crash into our private gathering. The information I am going to reveal to you is highly confidential, so mum's the word. I know where he has gone, but I am not revealing it to anyone against his wishes, so mum's the word. I'll let you on our little secret, but mum's the word, if anyone else gets to know of it, we'll be in big trouble. I've heard the news, but mum's the word till we get confirmation.